Thanks for coming to WeCast, checking out and deep diving into the brand new Yamamoto Uni. This bait right here, just like the name suggests, if you're not familiar with Japanese, Uni is going to be sea urchin in Japanese. What's really cool about this one here is it's a little bit different from some other fuzzy dice slash fuzzy baits out there. Of course, going to be compared to the koiki from Hide Up. This bait here is a lot smaller profile overall, even compared to the 17 millimeter koiki. This guy right here has just an overall smaller footprint. Now, the ball size is very similar. However, the tentacles is what makes this bait stand out. Now, the tentacles on this bait, instead of being a straight point, these actually have little bulbs at the end. And what that's going to do is allow you to fish this very, very subtly while still maintaining a good natural action depending on your current, wind, conditions, and slight movements of the rod. Now, you can fish this a wide variety of different ways, whether it's on a casting or a spinning, a Jika rig, a Nico rig, a drop shot, straight, not quite weightless, but I guess kind of Nico rigged. You can do a lot of different things with this. Again, a little bit smaller profile. This bait is going to be a lot of different colors. So I'm trying to remember exactly. I just put it in order for a lot of these. There's so many different ways to fish it. Typically, most people are going to be fishing it on a spinning rod. If you're in a very, very finesse area, and remember, this is a TPE style bait where it is very, very buoyant, typically having a weight on it is going to be your best case scenario. Now, I have seen some videos of people using baits very similar to this, and I have heard from people in the industry that when the mayfly hatch happens with these super TPE baits, you can work this on just a standard wacky rig hook up on the surface of the water, and it resembles some of those bigger mayflies or bigger hatches that you might find for insects and stuff like that. So just remember, guys, bass are very, very curious. Whether it's down on the bottom or up on the surface, bass like to check things out, being apex predators. So make sure to check out some of the cool fuzzy baits as well as the Uni from Yamamoto. Thanks for watching, guys, and thanks for coming to WeCast.